This is the connection to read an SPC5777 on this adapter. As you see, the switch over here is towards up. These are not connected, power supply is over here. We connected this cable from here to our top adapter on the port E of the PKPROG adapter and USB to the computer. Now we start the software and then we click on this one. Then we just connect. Now it will ask us the correct algorithm file. So we need to find the 5777. And here we have C flash, D flash, HSM. So we start with C flash. Now we're reading the D flash. Done. Next step is to change module. We read the P flash, which is C flash over here. C flash. Waiting for it to finish, we speed up. After this is done, we select the other module. Which will be our HSM code and HSM data, and then upload the module. HSM code. And we move on the other HSM. HSM data. U-test. And the last one is our BAF module. That's it. When we want to copy, we just specify object file. Then we select here, for example, our BF file, and we can go on program module. That's it.